Good morning, good morning, good morning. Anyway, it's time to start a new project. Okay, here we go. Oh, hope everybody's doing fine. All right. I don't know which way this camera goes. I don't even know how to turn my phone around today. But my good friend taught me how to make bird feeders. So, this is Super Bowl Sunday. If anybody's doing anything, I'm not sure. Anyways, paper towel rolls, cut in half, toilet paper rolls, hey, whatever. Whatever you got. Here, I just have some regular cardboard. That's it, regular cardboard. Paint your peanut butter on there, like this. Let me know what you like to do. What are your hobbies? There. So schmearing. We're totally schmearing on this. Put your peanut butter on. Good and thick. Listen, don't make your parents mad or your family. All right, here we go. There we go. So, I'm out of bird seed. I don't know where it went. So I take a pack of regular saltine crackers and crush them up, and this is what's going to happen. The little bag's going to explode. Okay, don't make too much of a mess, I'm telling you. Okay, then you just take this and roll it around in the cracker crumbs. Run a string through one end to the other end. And you have a bird feeder hanging on a tree outside. All right. Super Bowl Sunday. Stay safe. Peace out.